Hello. Hello. Are you looking for me or for apple? Bro, it's second time you coming. Are you looking for me or for apple? Oops. Well, sorry, buddy. That I dropped the phone. Well, yeah, this one. Oh, fuck. Guys, I fucked up screen even more. Anyway, hey, what I was asking? I was asking, are you coming to see me or Apple? Maybe hugs now. Can I have a little hug? No, Apple not there. Apple not there. Oh, he can smell apple here. Now I need to pick it up. Who is there? Who is there? There's nobody. Nobody is there, man. Here. That's our apple. Apple. Let me put one more. It's a second apple today, guys. They're super hungry. Winter. Nothing growing on the trees, so if you have a possum, feed them.